Hey everyone, welcome back. Nate with 911 Rapid Response. Today's vehicle showcase, we have for you a Ford F-150 2023 model year, upfitted for the Gamber and Community Fire Company out of Carroll County, Maryland. So much thanks to this client trusting us with this project. Very nice looking project, might I add, and we'll start by going over aftermarket equipment that we have at the front of the vehicle. Mounted in the grille, we have 4 Whelen T-ions. These will all be duo models, red, white. Same for the pair of Whelen T-ions surface mounted on the front bumper just below the headlights. It's going to give us a little bit of intersection warning at the nose of the vehicle going through intersections. Our main piece of warning equipment is the Whelen Senator light bar. It's a 54-inch duo model, red, white to the front, sides, and red, amber to the rear. Cruise around the side, take a look at what we have for side warning. Surface mounted on the fenders above the front and rear wheel, we have another pair per side, the Whelen T-ion Duo. We also have this truck fitted with the Whelen Tracer, so Weekend X Duo. So we will get added white function out of those light heads as well. Got some additional rear warning, rear side warning mounted to the cap. These are another pair per side Whelen T-ion Duos, so we'll get white function out of those. Those are surface mounted to the cap with the T-ion wedge mounting kits. Rear fender, we also have our Kusma auto eject. And before we get too far, let's make sure we take a look at the graphics package designed and installed by our team at Market Graphics. So one more shout out to them, all the great work that they do, integrating their processes with our upfitting processes so that we can deliver a 100% complete unit to our end users, all under one roof. Our truck cap is an ARE model. So we do have white illumination within the side toolbox compartments, and we also have white illumination on the interior side of this cap. Streamlight survivors mounted there. We've also got some 12 volt and 120 volt charging points in the top corner. At the rear of the vehicle, take a look at the storage solution that we provided, along with some custom fabrication. So we have the extendo bed slide out. Extendo bed slide out fit for the short bed F-150. And we also have a fabricated aluminum storage solution mounted to the top side of that to provide this client with their storage needs, whether it be turnout, tooling, other gear that they might carry, water cans, fire extinguishers, so on and so forth. So with this extendo bed, we are getting 110% extension out of the truck bed. And that will lock into place. And we've also got our white illumination on the interior side of each of those toolboxes. And we also have one of these Technique strip lights mounted on the underside of the hatch for some illumination when that storage solution is out. Finish off at the rear with the final touches to the graphics package. So we have our NFPA chevron, reflective material. We've also got 2 more Whelen T-ion surface mounted to the rear of the cap, flashing the tail lights, and we've also got a 5-lamp tracer mounted at the rear of this vehicle, in between where the tailgate would sit and the top of the front or rear bumper. And then down at the bottom for some lower level warning, we've also got 2 more Whelen T-ions, and we have some Technique steel head flood lamps at the lower portion of the bumper here. That's going to provide us with some work lighting, extra white illumination at the rear of the vehicle. Final additions between the front seat have this vehicle specific console. This is a wide console, so we're getting that additional 3 inches of space on the passenger side. Customer supplied radio mounted in this console, along with our Whelen Core control head. This is the rotary knob and slide variant. Side mounted armrests. We've also got a large accessory pocket, cup holders, and provided them with a Havas docking station on that mount, which is coming through the interior portion of the console. If you can see, there's a little circular knockout that we can put a pole through and internally mount those computer poles. So we'll look at some functionality that we have. So right now we're in a park setting. We'll override to low power. This will put us into a nighttime park setting. So we get our DVI flash. Also have a cruise feature, which may be a little difficult to see on this sunny day. Slide 3, out of park. This is going to give us our priority warning, white flashing to the front and sides. Back to park. Takedown function on a multi-press button. Alley features. Also, or sorry, single press alley feature. And we do provide a button which will activate all of our steady white features on the control head in one press. Vehicle is equipped with the Weekend X howler. And it sounds like it works. That's going to wrap it up for functionality that we have on the control head. Sorry, Dan, about that last siren. Good? Okay. Door pop will give us some white illumination to the sides as well on our tracers. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you like the video. Also hope you like our new shop shirts. This is our new logo. So we got some new apparel out for our shop technicians. And maybe we can get a little competition going. Maybe we can get a little competition going in terms of 5th comment. We'll reach out to you. We'll get you one of these new hats like that. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow on all of our social media outlets. Stay tuned. We have plenty more vehicles for you to come. See you then.